Jai Hind all of you. Today I am going to introduce something very useful for all of us. As we all know, due to coronavirus and lockdown, all the countries suggest, or we can say that it is a compulsion to work from home. So it is very important all of us to familiar with digital world. But we have to understand the difference between online and offline classes. Let me explain by the example. We have two different classes. We are talking about our school classrooms. So all the resources are available in our school. With the help of that resources, we can teach students easily, like a board, marker, chalk, duster, smart board, all the things. Or if we are talking about online classes, what we are taking at our home, so there is no resources, and without resources it is very difficult to teach the students. Okay, but now we are doing our best. I can understand that. The lockdown and online classes taught all of us the importance of resources. Now you can understand the importance of resources. At our home, the resources is not available. So today I am going to give you all the resources. With the help of that resources, you can become a famous teacher. As you all know, in our creative mind, thousands of thoughts occurs in every minute. With the help of that resources, you can deliver your knowledge, your thoughts in very effective way. Okay. Now we have an example. Whatever I will speak, it will be written in screen like that. Okay. The best teacher teach from the heart, not from the book. Please have a look. Now another example. One of my colleagues, he is taking online classes from his home and record the videos. After that, he publishes the videos on YouTube. Please have a look.
हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल पुनीत सर की पाठशाला, योर चैनल। और आज मैं आपके लिए लेके आ गया हूँ क्लास 10th का लेक्चर नंबर 5, पार्ट 5, लाइट रिफ्लेक्शन और रिफ्रैक्शन। तो आई होप आप लोगों ने सारे लेक्चर्स देख लिए होंगे। पार्ट 4, 4 पार्ट बना चुका हूँ मैं, तो आप लोगों ने सभी पार्ट देख लिए होंगे। अरे नहीं देखे तो डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिल जाएंगे, तो झांकी देखते हैं। और आज मैं आपके लिए जो पार्ट लेके आया हूँ उसमें मैं बताऊंगा कि मिरर में कैसे इमेज फॉर्मेशन होता है। ठीक है, तो इमेज फॉर्मेशन का बहुत बेसिक अगर आपको सीखना हो तो इस वीडियो को पूरा अंत तक देखना। फिर इसके बाद जब आप इमेज फॉर्मेशन करोगे इन कॉनकेव और कॉन्वेक्स जो आपके कोर्स में है, वो आपको बहुत अच्छे से समझ में आएगा। ठीक है, तो देखिए आज जो मैं लेके आया हूं उसमें आप देखोगे कि प्लेन मिरर है। आप लोग, अरे यार ऐसा कोई सा दिन नहीं जाता यार जिसमें हम अपने आप को नहीं देखते मिरर के अंदर। कोई दिन नहीं जाता। डिंपल से लेकर पिंपल तक हम अपने आप को देखने के लिए किसका इस्तेमाल करते हैं? मिरर का। तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है हमारी लाइफ के अंदर मिरर, और वो भी प्लेन मिरर। प्लेन मिरर में क्या होता है, बहुत अच्छी खासियत है उसकी, और उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज के बारे में बात करेंगे तो आपको समझ में आ जाएगा कि प्लेन मिरर क्या कहलाता है।
Sorry, we can't watch the video to the end because we have limited time. Now we have another example. We can use PPT, Word documents. So now you can see that we can use like all the documents. You can see all the documents like that. Okay, with the help of that documents, you can teach the students, guide about that. So it is very easy. Now we have another example for kindergarten teachers like that. You can A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. So you can teach students by using graphics like that. So it is very easy to understand students about that. Okay, so it is very difficult to explain functionality of brain, but the help of graphics or videos we can easily explain like that. Please have a look this one.
Divided into two halves, the right half and the left half, and both these halves are connected to each other by a bundle of nerve fibers called the corpus callosum. So from this view, does our brain remind you of anything that can be eaten? Any nut? Yes, it looks like a walnut. And did you know that a walnut is a brain boosting nut which when eaten regularly helps to increase memory power of the brain? So like you can see here, our brain has wrinkles on its exterior surface, and this wrinkly part is called as the cerebrum, which makes up the major portion of our brain. But not every individual has equal amount of wrinkles. These wrinkles indirectly determine the intelligence of an individual.
In the last, I'm going to guide you how to create video for the purpose of educational or entertainment. If you want to create all the videos, so you have to use only one device, only your smartphone. With the help of that smartphone, you can record the video. After that, you can edit, publish, all the things you can do by your smartphone only. You don't need to purchase any other devices. Just your smartphone can do everything. By creating videos, or you can publish that videos on social media like a Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, even TikTok wellness. So with the help of that editing software, today I'm going to introduce about that software. With the help of that software, you can easily edit, make, publish your video by using your mobile. Okay, please have a watch. Now you can see my mobile screen. I'm going to Play Store to download that app. The app name is KineMaster. Okay, so you know I have already installed that app, that's why it is showing open. Whenever you type KineMaster on your Google Play Store, so it will be show for the installation, ask for the installation. Okay, now it is clear. After that, go to respective where you have installed that app. Okay, that one is my KineMaster. Whenever you will open that app, you will get that screen. Okay, now you have to click on plus sign to create new project. Okay, it is very simple app, really I suggest. So now there is 3 options. First one is for the YouTube. If you are making video for YouTube or for your school smart board or teaching, so 6.9 is a good one, and it is a landscape. And another one is 9.16 ratio for the portrait. If you are making video for TikTok, so you can use this one. Okay, so right now I'm using first one. Click on that. So this is my blank project. Okay, now you can see the media. So you have to import any video or any media, any video, any images. So first I'm going to click on media one. Then after that, first I'm going to select one background. So in default, the KineMaster provides some background like that. If we have some background, so I am going to choose white one only. So I like that one, so I choose this one. Okay, this one. So you can see that. After that, click one. Whenever I click on that my background, so some options are there. I can change the color of that, then like that, and this one also, adjustment, brightness, something like that. So and in the right side, I can press and drag to the right side, so its size will be increased. Okay, like that. Now if you want to show or import any videos or any pictures, so you have to clear on layer option. Okay, if you want to input some pictures, videos, you have to click like that. First one is media, so you can select video, pictures from the media option. Another one, some great options are there, like I'm not going to introduce about all the options. I'm just introduce only the important one only. So first one for import any media like a picture, video, or another one is text. If you want to write something, so you can use text option like that. I'm going to write, click on the text option. You can write anything. For example, I'm going to write GVN. Okay, GVN school, okay. So you can see this one, it's nothing show in the screen. There is nothing show because the font color may be white. So I'm going to change font color. Okay, you can change font color like that. So now it is red, so I'm going to, so now it's red color. Okay, now another option is there, you can change the font. We have a different fonts available in this. You can choose any one font like that. I'm going to change. Okay, so and if I'm talking about the animation, you just click on that in animation,
whenever the screen comes, so there is some animation and you want to write some, so there are so many animation. I click on this first one, second animation, third, so there are animation. If I'm talking about the words, so there is letter by letter. It's a very nice one, letter by letter. So it is now going to show like we are doing typing. Okay, so letter one letter like that. So I'm going to play, so like GVN school. Okay, now another, I'm going to import any video. Okay, to click from the layer option, another voice. If you want to record any voice, so click on that one. Or we have some another option also, audio option. If you want to import any audio on your project, so you can click on that audio one option. Okay, there is some audio in my mobile. Okay, I'm going to click on that one, plus, so this audio is added on my like that. Okay, if you want to delete anything, so just click on that. I'm going to click on audio, then in left side the delete option is available. I'm going to delete this one, so it is deleted. Okay, now we have some more options. So I'm going to click first on the layer, then import any video. So I'm going to import any video. So where is my video? I have to select download. So there is some videos or some audios I have downloaded already. Then okay, some PPTs, say the color, not the world, like that. This one, okay, no problem. So this is one video I'm going to import. Okay, now I'm going to play.
Hello friends, today we are going to play a game and all you have to do is just say the color in which the word has been written and not
So now this is my video, first video I'm going to show you. If I'm going to click on my background, so now the all options are available to enable all the options for my background. If I'm going to click on my video, so the all the option is enabled for my video. If I want to cut any video, if I want to cut the video some particular place like that, so I'm going to drag right or left. Okay, so there is some black portion I want to erase, so from this one. So now I have to click on scissor. There is scissor option. I'm going to click on that. So now it will be trim from the left side, trim to right of plate. So right side it will be trim of, or I'm going to split this one from my cursor like that. So there are two different video, one is there and one is there. Okay, now two different video because I have split it, and click on that one and I'm going to delete this one. So I have selected this one and I'm going to delete. So it is deleted already. Okay, now so you can use, again I'm going to you can use scissor to cut your project from the right, left, or whenever you have done any mistakes, so you can cut the mistakes from anywhere from that. Okay, now another option is if you want to fit this one on your full screen, so click on that. So now it is fit. Okay, I'm going to off. Now I'm going to increase the size of that. This is my one video. I can use another video like that. Click on layer, this one option. Now I'm going to downloads. There are so many videos, so I'm going to use another video like that. This is my another video. Okay, you can see that video. Okay, so this is play from this one. So I'm going to from the starting this one. Okay, now if I'm going to play,
do is just say the color in which the word has been written.
now I want to change the GVN from the different area like that. So I'm going to this one. You can see that.
Do is just say the color in which the word has been.
So you can make according to your need. You can make any videos like that. Okay, it is very simple, all of you. Okay, now you can understand all the things. Just I'm going to click on that particular video and introduce about the more option like that. If you want to decrease or increase the sound like that, so it's 100%. You can decrease or I'm going to click again. Okay, now in animation, if you want to, this slide will come, so come like that or like that, or if I want to slide from right side like that. Okay, So if I am going to play, so it will slide from the right
Do
side.
is just say the
Like
color
that.
in which
Okay, like that it's going to slide. So now in animation, overall animation, it will be show like that. In the all the time it will be blinking if I am going to like that. Okay, if you want to show, so in my screen all the time it will be blinking. Well, as please show.
do is just say the color in which the word has been written.
So you can apply like that, but it's not need to. I'm going to okay. Now first second out animation, whenever the video will end, so out animation will apply. So there are some animation chroma key, so it will be not apply for this one. I will tell me about that chroma key, how to use, but in this project it is not usable. Now cropping, you can crop your project, like click on that, so this option. So I'm going to crop like that. If I'm going to do this one, okay, so you can crop your project well as, okay, whatever you want. Now color filter, you can use color filter like that. Some color filter is there, you can choose color filter, okay, if you need. So some important option, you can cut your project whenever you want, split your project, increase or decrease sound, animations, cropping, and adjustment. If you want to decrease or increase the brightness, so you can use this option, okay, adjustment option. Now another option is voice changer. If you want change your voice, like a there is so many kid, man, radio, robots, so your voice will be come like that, okay, it will be sound like a robot. If you want to listen, so please I'm going to select this one, okay. Now please see.
Do is just say the color in which the word has been.
So you can use this option also if you need in anywhere. So where is sound, voice changer, I'm going to normal, okay,
Do is just say the
very nice. Now another option is there, another option is there, extract audio. If you want to extract audio from your project like that, there is a audio and video combined in this, and I'm going to extract, so click on that one option, okay. Now you can see your video is different and your video and audio is extract. Now you can remove the audio from this, you can delete the audio, okay, if you want. Or maybe if you have done any mistake in your project, so in the left upper side there is an option is undo available, you can click on that like that. I'm going to click, so now audio and video is merged again, okay, merged, so no problem. You can use some of the option like that, okay, color filter, rotate, equa, volume. So some of the useful function I have already told about that, all the functions, okay. Now you can delete, you can use delete option, undo. So this is very useful for all of us, this app, and with the help of this app you can create any project, okay, like that. You can create any project, and after that you want to export this project for your future use, okay. I'm going to show you. For example, GVN is display on my particular for some seconds only. I'm going to play like that.
do is just say the color in which the word has been written and not read the word. So are you ready?
So GVN is, but I want to show GVN in the starting to end, so I'm going to increase like that. So now it will be show starting to end like that.
Do is just say the color in which the word has been
So
written.
you can use this very easy, or it's a very easy software, you can understand, okay. Now I'm going to bake this one option in top, okay. Now this is my project, we have created this one. Now if you want to change the name of that project, so you can change. Untitled 5 is name of my project. If I'm going to change, so now I can change easily. Now I'm like for teaching, okay. Now my project name is for teaching, okay. So there is some option, I'm going to play this one in full screen, so we have option like that.
Do is just say the color in which the word has been written and not
Okay, now you can edit the project. If you want to edit the project, so click on this one icon. We have the pencil one, click on that. So now you can edit your project. Okay, now for teaching, then there is some option like I'm going to click on that, export and share. You want to copy the project to your pen drive for future use, so you have to export this project first. So now there is an option, you have to click export, so it will be take some time, and after that you will get the videos. Click on that one, so now it is taking some time. Okay. Now this is little bit intro about that editing app. You can easily download the app from the Play Store and install the app. After that we are going to use. Okay, now my video is exported. I'm going, there is some option in my gallery album. I'm going to, where is KineMaster export, in this one I'm going to click on this one. So now this is my video. Okay, this one
Is just say the color in which the word has been written and not read the word. So are you ready? Let's begin.
Thank you very much for watching.